The Renogy 200-watt solar blanket impresses with its ultra-lightweight design, being 54% lighter than traditional solar panels, making it perfect for camping and outdoor adventures. Its innovative 8-fold design allows it to pack down to a compact size, making storage in tight spaces a breeze, ideal for SUVs and pickup trucks. The solar blanket offers multiple installation methods, allowing users to adapt to various environments, whether laying it across a windshield or hanging it between trees. With an industry-leading efficiency of 25%, this solar panel maximizes solar harvesting, outperforming many standard panels in limited spaces or cloudy conditions. The versatile off-grid power solution can charge 3 devices simultaneously with USB-C and USB-A ports, providing reliable power for smartphones, tablets, and more. Built to withstand harsh conditions, the durable IP65-rated solar panel features military-grade materials, ensuring longevity and ease of transport with its padded carry handle.